this is my channel and I'm so excited because it's the box by Fashionsta time. So we want to see what's in here? Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel or just happen to come upon it and you like the content and you like the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. So I hope you guys are all having a great week. I am not sure when I'm going to be posting it, so it could be happy weekend, happy Monday, and it get posted. It's going to be, I think, 80s this weekend, so I probably won't be around. We'll be out riding, and I think it is Super Bowl weekend, so we'll probably actually be at home watching Super Bowl on Sunday. So let's get into it. This is, I think I pay $18 or $19 a month, but if you had it at that price, they kind of grandmother you into that price. I think it's going up to maybe $21, $25 a month. I will leave all that information below, along with, I think it's a $5 coupon code, or 20%. I'm not sure, I just don't want to, but it is a discount off of your first box. I've got it. I've been getting this since it first came out, and I love it, and I highly recommend it. Now, I have no idea what's in this box, so let's get into it. It does come with a card with everything that's in here and a nice description. They wrap it really nice. And they do put a lot of skincare in here. So if you want all makeup, this is not the box for you. But if you like to get your skin, I'm 64 years old, and I have always done a skincare routine. I started out with just your basic soap and water when I was a teenager. And then I progressed and started a routine. So I do a morning routine and a nighttime routine. And I import products that I get out of my subscription boxes. So I haven't bought anything from the drugstores or from the department stores ever since I started subscription boxes. The first thing that I pull out is Blackhead Steam Pore Pack, Pore Original Pack. Now, I probably, to be honest, will not use this. I've never really had a issue with breaking out. Usually when I was younger, it was around that time of the month. But I probably will not be using this, but let's find out about it. This is the Pore Blackhead Steam Pack and Pore Original Pack Duo. A detoxifying duo featuring a steaming mask. I have to give up a mask. That opens and deeply cleanses pores. Then a cooling mask to lighten and minimize the appearance of pores. And it retails for $16. So now I'm thinking, because it does fall into the mask family, and I am a maskaholic, I will give it a try. Sucker for masks, what can I say? The next thing is by Bang Beauty, and it says Kiss Me. So I'm thinking it's a lipstick. What do you think? And, ooh. Look at the packaging on that, and there is the color. So I am not going to, I will use it, but I'm not going to swatch it because I just don't want to open anything and get the air into it. So let's find out about this beautiful lipstick. It's a lip crayon by Bang. It retails for $18. This long-wearing lip crayon delivers high pigment, rich color that lasts. It locks in hydration, leaving your lips soft long after wear. Using one swipe, the Bing Beauty Lip Crayon delivers full coverage while feeling extremely lightweight to the touch. Lightweight, non-sticky, high pigment, long-lasting, and cruelty-free. So that is really pretty. And since I am going to try this out, let's see what it looks like. So now you know what that means, flipping the box open. Because it says it's a it's a two-part mask. But what's great is it comes with the two-part little spoonie. I was at the Dollar General yesterday and I bought for $1 I could have grabbed it. It's a brush, actually not a brush, but to use for masks. So when you put it on, you don't get it all over your fingers, and it goes on really smoothly and puts on masks. And after I used it, I loved it, and I'm thinking, why didn't I get more? Because I have so many masks. So you could probably use something like that as well as this. But these, I lose them all the time. So we have the Cools, Tightens, and Soothes. So I guess I have to read the directions and figure out which one you use first. Ooh. There's the Cool Tightens. Ooh. They don't really have much of a smell. They smell like a clay mask. But now I can't wait to play with this. So I will let you know how they work. And just an update, I think it was BoxyCharm. We got a watermelon sleep mask. I love it. I've been using it for a couple weeks now. To me, the best type of masks to use are those lightweight sleeping masks. When I'm not using a mask like this during the week, then the other day I put on those sleeping masks, and I think they are great. So I love that watermelon mask. The next thing is Lucy Metallic 4-in-1 Radiance Face Gel Mask. Highlighter, moisturizer, treatment, gold revitalizing gel. And that's what it looks like. And I'll read about it. Let's open it. It's got a little, I don't know, it kind of looks like somebody dipped their finger in it. I don't think they did. I think it's just the top pushed into it. But it smells good, and that's what it looks like. It was wrapped up in the box. And let's read about this guy. Lucy Metallic, it retails for $15. An oil-based face gel that works as a sleeping mask. Hello, they must be listening to me. I love the sleeping masks. You really don't know that you have them on. And it's like you forget they're on and you forget to wash them off in the morning. But they work great. Your skin just feels awesome. It works as a sleeping mask, highlighter, 20-minute treatment, and moisturizer to instantly hydrate and tone for post-facial results. Acai rich in vitamins and antioxidants, effectively restores skin's elasticity levels and easily absorbs to revive dull, uneven complexions, cruelty-free, vegan, and made without mineral oil, parabens, sulfates, and a word I can't pronounce, made in Milan, Italy. So yeah, this will definitely be given a try. And then we have Luna by Luna and Sapphire. Sapphire can't be a lipstick, right? Mascara? Oh, it's a lip oil. Look at that. Tastes good. So let's see what that does. It's a really pretty case. And the Luna by Luna lip oil retails for $18. This lip oil formula is a luxurious treatment oil that transforms lips from dry and damaged to moisturized and hydrated, all while adding just a hint of sheer color. The instant lightweight technology nourishes and hydrates while soothing your lips and giving them a natural shine while appearing fuller. The innovative gel texture of the oil hugs your lips while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You can apply as little or as much as desired. Do my lips look fuller? Okay, that was nice. So far, I'm loving the box. Now we have an unnamed item. It's by Klee. Apply the cream to dry areas as needed. The multi-cream can be applied on face and body to reduce dryness, can also be used to moisturize ends of hair and manage flyaways. So you can use it on your face, your body, and your hair. Can you see? This is, stick it in there. There's writing on it, but you can't read it. Did they do that on purpose? There's a little thing to like break in here. Now this is definitely the strangest packaging I have ever seen. So the only way is to break in. This is what it looks like. And again, it's a multi-cream, so you can use it on everything. So let's read up about that. Multi-cream, it retails for $32. Multi-cream is a rich and luxurious multifunctional cream infused with calming Palo Santo essential oil and extract for moisturizing skin. Ideal for use as a daily moisturizer for all skin types and relies on ingredients like hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and a combination of fruit extracts. Sends long-lasting hydration to dry or irritated skin. This multi-cream applies smoothly, absorbs quickly, and leaves no greasy residue on the skin. Apply all over the face, body, and even ends of hair in need of hydration. Wow. I'm having a little hard time with the packaging because it says what it is on the outside, but you can't read it. So, not a deal breaker. And I think there's two more items in here. We have this pretty packaging, and this is a Galactic Precise Eyeliner Marker in Black Noir. I'm not going to open it. We all know what eyeliners look like. I will read about it. The Precise Marker Liner retails for $20. 1 second. Okay, the Precise Marker Liner is $20. Favored by many with a Star Beauty Award behind it. The Precise Marker Liner was designed to create a thin or thick cat wing liner. The tip is soft and precise with a weightless, long-lasting, smudge-proof formula. And there's one more item in the box. And it looks like a palette. As I get those things all over. And so this box actually had more makeup than normal. And it says City Limits. And of course, I'm going to, oh, it's by IBY Beauty. I can't open it, so you will not be seeing this today. My God. Why they make these so difficult? Anybody that can open that, kudos. So it's IBY City Limits palette. And of course, oh my God, the shades are beautiful. This is like worth the price of the box. So let me give the deets on that one. The IBY City Limits eyeshadow palette retails for $20, which is not bad for an eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades, infused with rosehip seed oil for skin, protecting properties. This mauve palette has the ideal balance of light, transition, and dark shades. We can't wait to see the looks you'll create. I think that's a great palette. So the price of this month's box, again, I paid like $18 and I think it goes for 20 something, retails for over $139. And it's got a balance of everything. And I cannot wait to try this mask, and I will let you know how it works. So let me know what you thought of this box in this video. And I was interrupted, so I'm going to bring a guest onto my channel. So give me 1 second to bring my little buddy. This is Taco. I know everybody has puppies on their channel. So this is Taco. Taco, say hi to everybody. Say hi to Bentley. Bentley is another puppy. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.